why and how we celebrate Holi. In ancient times, our Lord Krishna, we worship a god named Krishna. He killed his mama sorry, uncle. Yes, maternal uncle. He killed his maternal uncle's sister. So in the celebration of that, we celebrate Holi. And this particular Holi, you are going to witness now, Masan Ki Holi, is dedicated to our beloved god Shiva.
Yeah.
Yeah. His other name is Bholenath, Shankar. It is going to be epic, lifetime experience.
I love the excitement of the other guy as well.
In Manaras, everyone is excited as well.
Yeah.
Everyone is excited. When you are get there on Manikarnika Ghat, it is going to blow your mind. It is just like
Yes, I can.
next level.
I love how excited and happy you are. This is so good.
10 days earlier, here in Manarasi, we celebrate Mahashivratri, the marriage anniversary of our god and goddess.
Okay.
And yes,
Okay.
I will show you the footage and it will blow your mind.
Okay, show me.
See the amount of people enjoying the same song, and it is a spiritual.
We're looking for the temple. We went to one. We couldn't find. We're going to another. What happened now?
We didn't find them yet because we don't know exactly the place. So we are still searching. If we find them,
But what happened to Ganga? We don't go there and
we
walk?
will go. We will go down there again. So we have to be near temple. Maybe they will come today. If they didn't come, we will go to the directly Ganga.
Okay.
Here we go.
Here we go again. We've been waiting for the wrong.
Let's go.
He's very excited.
Super crazy.
I
We don't
know.
know what we are fucking doing. I will see.
We all made friends today. Hello, guys.
Hello, nice to meet you. Dhanyavad.
Hey, happy Holi.
I told you, bro.
But what is it celebrating today? Because they put the ashes and everything.
Yes,
So
yes,
what
yes.
is the purpose?
In today, Aghori, there is some people called Aghori. They are naked all around. They don't have anything to care about the world. They think they are only the devotee of Shiva, the Lord we worship. And to demonstrate how much they love him, they apply ashes of the dead. Not only the ashes. When in our culture, in Hindu culture, after that body is burned, these Aghoris took out burning bodies and eat them. Now you can witness them.
Why do they eat them?
It is just that celebration. It is a part of celebration. There is not logic. Everything is not connected with logic.
Yeah.
We are just devoted to Lord Shiva.
Yeah, and Lord Shiva is a creator and
Yes,
also
yes,
takes life.
Yes. He is the. It is said that he is the beginner of everything, and he can end anything. In our mythology,
Yeah.
in our culture.
So today it's more like it's celebrating the dead.
Yes. The place where this Holi is celebrated is called the place where death is celebrated, Manikarnika Ghat. It is a compilation of 84 ghats. and the place where this Holi is celebrated is the only place in the whole world where death is celebrated.
Yeah.
You know, death is celebrated. You die and the people are celebrating your death. It is not normal.
No.
It is not normal. You die, I will weep if I know you.
Yeah.
But here, it is said that if you breathe, single breathe in Banaras, Kashi,
Yeah.
you will, let me calculate proper English for my
You're
English,
doing amazing. Thank you.
my English is not that good.
No, you're doing good.
Yes. It is said that if you took one breath in Banaras, you are liberated from the circle of death and rebirth. Birth
So
and
you
rebirth.
don't incarnate.
Yeah, no.
Ah.
I'm trying to say that if you now you are in Banaras,
Yeah.
then let me calculate proper English. I'm not that.
No, you're doing very good.
It is said that if you breathe air in Banaras, it is said that you are liberated from the cycle of birth and rebirth. In our mythology, in our culture, we think that we die and we rebirth.
Yeah.
We die and we rebirth. And if we breathe, if we live one day in Banaras, we are liberated from that cycle.
Okay.
liberated.
So we don't come back.
Yes.
Yeah. Because so that is because like people are reincarnated because they didn't finish, they had an unfinished business. That's why they keep coming back. But once you are here, you are liberated from that. That's what it says. That's why they also put their ashes, maybe,
Yes, that
or not.
everything is not connected with logic.
No.
In our culture, nothing is connected. We just love our gods insanely. There is no logic connected to it.
Okay. Thank you so much. We're following the dead body.
राम नाम सत्य है
No, what are they
They
chanting?
are chanting Ram Naam Satya hai. The name of God is true. The name of God is true.
I see. Where are we going?
Manikarnika Ghat, the place where death is celebrated. The only place on earth where death is celebrated.
Okay.
And,
And
you,
we're
are
following.
you are going to witness how it is celebrated.
Yeah. And we're following now the.
Dead body.
Yeah.
Dead body, and that dead body is going to burn. And the Aghoris, the people who are the devotees of Lord Shiva, they are going to play Holi with the ashes of that dead body.
Oh, okay. Are you ready?
Yes, we are very, very ready, dosto. Burn the dead body.
The pile of wood, yeah.
Kız alnını bu şekilde boyuyorlar, böyle semboller yapıyorlar. Bu da Shiva'nın 3 uçlu mızrağı var. Onun sembolünü yapıyor.
Now we have got. What is it actually? I have no idea. But the guy came and put it on us, and I didn't want to be disrespectful, so I just stand there, and then he asked us for money. So when someone dies, people bring the bodies here. They pray over there. Dip the body in the Ganga River. The loved ones, so they get the prayers and they burn them over there. All of that you see over there is burned body. And then they throw it in the Ganga River. Oh, my leg.
Manikanika Ghat, more than 100 bodies are being cremated every day. To burn a body, it takes about 200 to 500 kilos of wood.
And it takes about 2 to 3 hours to be completely ashes.
The cremation cost could be from $10 up to $100, even more, depending on the family's caste, wealth, or the type of wood they want to use for the cremation.
They've been doing this ritual for over 3,000 years. Bodies have been burning here every single day. So it's 24 hours it's burning.
Something that really surprised me was I was expecting to have this unpleasant smell, but there was no smell. The only thing that I could feel was so much heat from the fire and the heat of the weather.
Such a different way of mourning, huh? What a different way of mourning.
Yeah, it's so different. Like, imagine they burn the body.
Like
They
the
wash-
burning is fine, but
Smell.
the throwing and the body, like, and the celebration. Like for me, for us, it's more sad, and to see it, people being celebrated, it was very difficult for me to be all happy and happy
Totally
about it.
different culture. Like,
It's completely.
In this ceremony, only a male member of the family is allowed to attend because they think the women are more emotional. They believe sadness and crying could disturb their soul's peace. They also believe the soul stays in this plane 13 days after it was cremated. Even though I informed myself about Varanasi, Masan Holi, and the Aguris, it was still very impressionable to see it in person. And I am very grateful that I was able to experience this at least once in a lifetime.
We still have not checked into our rooms. And I said we still have not checked in. We have not slept. We have not had breakfast. Nothing.
Nothing, no room,
No, nothing. But we did see the celebration.
and it was really cool.
Yeah, it was very interesting to say the least. Now we're looking for a restaurant. And our leader,
Ashes out of our lungs.
yes, we're spitting out the ashes out of our lungs. Oh my God.
It was really good. I loved it, and everything was so overwhelming. What about you?
For me, it was a mixed feeling because I was like very excited when people were dancing, and I was excited, but then at the same time, I see the dead bodies burning next to me. So I'm like, oh, it's a funeral, and then people are happy, and then I'm happy, and then I'm just at the same time, no, what's happening? Yeah, and people, yeah, the motorbikes and the people, everything go together. Yeah, I know. And this crazy one, he was dancing in the middle. He was having a good time.
I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new today. Like, share, comment, and subscribe, and see you on the next video. Bye!